Hello Leo people. Today I am going to do your love reading for June 2021. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to my channel, like and share. Okay. So now start shuffling. Right now I'm gonna do your love reading straightforward. Okay. It's gonna be just about love situation you are going through right now, or some challenges in your life. Okay. In your love life. Bottom of the deck we have Page of Cups. Pages is all about young energy. Someone in your life younger than you, offering you a love, cup of love. Cups is all about emotions. This is a card of Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, water sign. Okay, it could be Pisces also. So now we have Two of Swords, Hermit, Knight of Swords, a lot of Swords energy, Seven of Wands, Six of Pentacles, and the Page of Pentacles. Underneath we have Page of Cups. So I will get it here. Now, Leo, maybe you are dealing with an air sign, which is Aquarius, Libra, and Gemini. Hermit, so is Virgo. King of Swords, again Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. This Six of Pentacles is a Libran card, Libra. And Seven of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sag. All the signs are present here. Okay. So if your energy is matched with this video, with this reading, this is your reading, Leo. Okay. So here the story is that to whom you are dealing with, your person is in isolation, or they are juggling with their mind with this Two of Swords. They are unable to decide something between two people or two things. They are, just Two of Swords is all about mental conflicts. Just they are very feeling conflicted between two things, or like they wants to balance their money and time, money and family, their personal life and their family also. So they are feeling very, just look at this, how this lady is blindfolded. Okay, like they feeling very helpless, what to do next. Like I'm feeling like Hangman energy here, like they are unable to decide, feeling stuck. They are unable to decide which for which way, like whichever I have to go, like which path we have to go, I have to go. Okay, so these are very stuck energy. So that's why he is in Hermit energy. Okay, Hermit energy is from Major Arcana, and this card is a Virgo card. Okay, they are definitely searching for their light. Okay, they are searching for their light, and just finding some love and light, some just like sunrise from, like they feel very helpless about this, regarding this relationship or something like that. What are the challenges like? Okay, what are they going through, what you both are going through. And in this present energy, they are in their own power, like King of Swords. Okay, they are in their own power, and just they are showing you that they have so much ego, or they are very stiff in nature or something like that. But they have emotions for you. They want equal give and take with you. They have emotions with you. Why I'm telling this? Because they wants to give equal give and take with you. I'm telling you because the overall energy has come Page of Cups. Okay, Page of Cups. Look at this. Underneath we have Judgment. Judgment is all about reconciliation. Judgment is all about Judgment. This is Major Arcana, right? And it's all about reconciliation, and angels are watching over you. And this is not a a time pass relationship or something like that. This is a divinely guided relationship. Okay, this has purpose in your life. Why she came into your life, definitely she or he has a purpose to came into your life. Okay, but he is showing that he is very hard in nature, or he has a lot of ego, but their inner voice is very different from this Page of Cups. Their overall energy is Page of Cups. They wanted to offer you something small. Pages is all about young, small, immature, like not a big commitment or not a marriage, like something like that. But yes, they want to grow some little things, some like talking, meeting, dinner date, something like that. Nothing big like engagement or marriage, something like that. Pages is all about a small, immature, young, and fresh energy. Okay, so they definitely want reconciliation with you. And this King of Swords and the Seven of Wands, they are definitely feeling very very in their power, or like ready to give some reply, and very hard with themselves. Okay, very hard with themselves. But exactly the real thing at the bottom of the deck, we have seen that Page of Pentacles and Page of Cups. Page of Pentacles is like, it depicts that he wanted to offer you something, like Cups and Pentacles both. Okay, he definitely wants to something with you. Okay, but their present energy is not telling him or her to do so. It will take time, because Hermit is a major arcana, so it will take time. Okay, and the Judgment is here, so you have to wait. It will happen only in divine timing. Judgment is there, that's why I'm telling you divine timing. Okay, so now I will take this both. So now I will take some one advice and outcome as an outcome. Okay. Give me one card for Leo people as an advice and outcome of their relationship, their current challenges in their love life. Okay. One card I will take. Justice. Justice is all about karma. What you have done, what he has done to you, will definitely leads to, good or bad. Definitely, it's definitely leads in your favor. Okay, it's definitely comes into your favor. Justice, balance, and came as an outcome, right? It will happen. It will happen in divine timing. Justice will happen in divine timing. Okay, you have to wait for that. If you feel that this relationship is very if you think that this relationship is very it's a part of your journey, and this energy shows that it's divinely guided, so it will definitely leads into your favor. Okay, Justice. Underneath we have 8 of Wands. 8 days, 8 hours, 8 weeks, or 8 months. It will happens at any times, because it will only happens in divine timing, and they are in hermit mode, isolations. Okay, so it will it's a very fast moving energy, 8 of Wands. Okay, very fast moving energy. It will happen. Okay, so thanks Leo, this is your reading. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.